Tell your child, this is the fabric winder. Watch. I pulled the fabric out of the box. Watch. I use the gear to wind up the fabric. When presenting the fabric winder, place it diagonally so it's easy for your child to pull out the fabric and turn the gear. Steady the box so he learns how to keep it still as he plays. Pull the fabric out slowly. Your child's brain processes more slowly than an adult's. If you pull out the fabric too quickly, he won't be able to observe your movements or the spinning gear. Remove your hands so your child can process the steps of the activity. Explain, I pulled the fabric out of the box. Call his attention before winding. Watch. Steady the box. When winding, reposition your hand between turns and exaggerate the movements. This makes it easier for your child to imitate. Tell your child, I use the gear to wind up the fabric. Repeat, but only wind up the fabric halfway. Then offer your child a turn. Leaving the activity unfinished like this motivates your child to continue. The fabric winder is best presented on the floor so the fabric can move freely, but you can use it at a table if your child prefers. If the toy is sliding, show him again how to keep it steady. Allow him plenty of uninterrupted time to explore. Later, when he's no longer concentrating deeply, you can discuss how the toy works and introduce him to new words like winding up and gear.